Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this position. Before I said anything else, you guys can pause the video and guess the move by your own. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So now we have a bishop, a helper, and a queen, and the king is just active. You have to just see these things, right? In contrary, the opponent king is not in a good position. In fact, the opponent king can't make a single move at the moment, and that would help us a lot. And most people in this position would play the move queen to a4. So now it's a check. The king can move, but here in this position what black do is block the check. So if black moves the king, it would be a different story. Still black would lose this game, but black can block the check. And what is the follow-up, right? Now the black queen is going to give a check. This is going to be a check, and you can't trade queen. And if you try to give a check like this, black would always just block the check. And if you try to play a move like this, black would capture your queen, and basically you can't do anything in this position. It's going to be just a draw. So this move looks nice, but that doesn't work. The other move that you may probably play is bishop to b5. Well, that looks solid move, because bishop to c6 is going to be just a checkmate, right? So the queen would block, and you just capture the queen with your queen, and that would be just game over. But the problem with this move is black is going to play queen to g8, and it's a check. You have to move the king somewhere. It doesn't matter where you move the king. Black will just will find a way to give you a check, and it's going to be just a draw due to perpetual checks. And eventually black may trade a queen, and that is going to be a draw once again. So these two moves don't work. So what is the correct move? Well, the correct move is to play king to c6. So what is the idea of this move? Well, now the queen has no checks. This is the check that looks safe, but that is controlled by the queen. And not only that, not only stepping away from check, but also we are threatening checkmate on b7, and it's not a good thing for black, because black king can't move. The queen is the only piece that can move, and if the queen moves anywhere, like a move like this would simply be checkmate. So black has to be careful with that. So what can black play in this position? How can black respond with this move? So black has to play queen to a7. So out of the moves, the candidate moves, that is the move that make sense, right? So if we trade a queen, it would be very good for black, because with only a bishop we can't deliver checkmate. But obviously we don't do that, and we play queen to d8. So the idea is, now again black king can't move, so black must block it with the queen, and we are going to play queen to a5. Well, in this position, once again black has to block it with the queen, and now we play bishop to a6. So now if you had a chance to see that once again the queen has no good checks, the queen can't give us any check, and on the next move we would just move the bishop away and win the game. So here is what would happen. Now if the queen moves like this, for example, just waiting, playing a move that makes sense, we are going to play a move like this. It's a double check and the king can't move. It's going to be just checkmate. If the queen moves anywhere like this, we give a check. The king has got one move and we just deliver checkmate this way, and this is another way of checkmating the king. So what else can black do? Well, wherever black moves with a queen away like this, we simply play bishop to b7 check, and this is going to be the pattern. And in this position, the best move for black is actually to sacrifice the queen so that black wouldn't get checkmated that easily. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of that, congratulations. For a recap, first we are going to play king to c6, and it doesn't matter where the queen moves, the queen has to stay on this file, or on this area should I say, because the queen has to defend the b7 square. So now we are going to play queen to d8. Now black can't move the king, so black must move the queen and block the check with the queen, and we play queen to a5, and again black has to block it with the queen. We play bishop to a6, and now whenever black plays, we simply play bishop to b7 and deliver checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.